In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DaVinci Resolve not opening on Windows 11. If Resolve won't launch, either nothing happens after you click the icon or it briefly shows a splash screen and disappears. We'll walk through a clean sequence of fixes, starting with Windows itself, then graphics drivers and preferences, and finally a couple of quick checks that often clear up launch conflicts. Begin by opening Settings, heading to Windows Update, and checking for updates. Install anything pending, including cumulative and security updates. If Windows asks for a restart, go ahead and do that. A fresh reboot clears out stuck background processes and ensures system components Resolve depends on are up to date. Next, update your graphics driver directly from the manufacturer. Don't rely on Device Manager alone. Visit the NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest driver for your exact GPU model, and install it. If you're given a choice, the Studio driver is often more stable for creative apps. After installation, restart your PC to finalize the driver update. Now set Windows to always use your high-performance GPU for Resolve. Right-click the desktop, choose Display Settings, then Open Graphics. In the app list, locate DaVinci Resolve. If it isn't there, add it by browsing to the Resolve executable. Once it's listed, click Options, choose High Performance, and save. This nudges Windows to prefer your discrete GPU over an integrated one, which can prevent launch hiccups. If Resolve previously tried to start and got stuck, end any lingering processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. On the Processes tab, look for DaVinci Resolve. If you see it, even if it says not responding, right-click and select End Task. Do the same for any related entries that clearly belong to Resolve. With those closed, try launching the program again. If it still won't open, remove the separate DaVinci Resolve Control Panels component. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for DaVinci Resolve Control Panels, select it, and uninstall. This only removes drivers for dedicated hardware panels and won't delete the Resolve editor itself. When that completes, try opening Resolve once more. Finally, run Resolve with elevated permissions. Right-click the Resolve shortcut or executable and choose Run as Administrator. This can clear permission-related blocks and help Resolve talk to your GPU and media devices on first launch. Work through these in order, testing after each change. With updates applied, the correct GPU selected, stuck tasks cleared, and permissions sorted, Resolve should open normally on Windows 11. If it doesn't, consider checking the official support resources for your exact GPU and Resolve version.